Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my morning routine and 3 drinks that have truly changed my life, my hormones, my mood. It has been super beneficial for my health. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. So the first change that I made that has been truly amazing is switching out coffee for tea. I used to be a huge coffee drinker, but not anymore. I noticed that I started to become super jittery and uneasy because I used to always drink coffee. So the tea has been a great change. And the tea that I've been drinking is by Peak. This is their adaptogenic coffee alternative called Nanica. So the ingredients in this product is absolutely amazing, and it actually does taste like coffee. So I'm a huge fan of that. It has organic cocoa powder, organic cocoa butter, organic black tea crystal, organic green tea crystal, and 82 milligrams of caffeine. It also has active ingredients that promote mood and enhance cellular renewal, as well as activate metabolism, sustain energy, and is organic, vegan, non-GMO, no added sugar, preservatives, or artificial ingredients. So I like to kickstart my day with this drink, and I like that it comes in small packets where I can just put the packet into a cup, add hot water, mix, and then I'm done and ready to drink. So it definitely takes the place of real coffee and give me that boost of energy that I need to start the day. You guys know I've been a coffee addict since college, so it has been an easy adjustment switching over. And Peak does have a deal going on right now where you can get 15% off plus a free cupper and frother when you shop my link below. So I drink 1 cup a day, and I definitely recommend giving this a try if you want to kick your coffee habit and try a healthier alternative. So the next thing that I do is I make sure that I am constantly drinking fresh juice. So I haven't drunk pop, or should I say soda, since I was about 14 years old. And I just recently stopped drinking most juices with added sugar. I'll drink it every now and then, but I've been trying to drink that in moderation and just drink more water and drink more fresh juice, because not only does it taste better, but it is also better for your health. Because I've been looking at some of these drinks and the added sugar has been kind of excessive. So I definitely prefer fresh made juice at home. So one of my favorite juices to make is grapefruit juice. And I love grapefruit. It's so good. I can eat grapefruit every single day. But grapefruit is absolutely amazing at reducing inflammation, improving blood flow, and reducing blood pressure. It boosts immunity because it has a lot of antibacterial properties. It's also amazing for digestion, and it helps me stay regular. So that's a huge plus. It's amazing for gut health, skin health. It's very high in vitamin C, so it helps boost collagen production and helps with acne. And it also aids in weight loss. It also is great for your hair. It helps prevent hair loss, helps with migraines, and so many other benefits to grape juice. And I also add ginger to my juice because I literally add ginger to everything. It has so many benefits. And I'm juicing with my Jador juicer. And I have this juicer in a small version, and this is the large version. And I always get questions about this juicer, but it's a 10 out of 10 juicer. I like the small one for daily use, and I like the big one for batch juicing. So I would use this and just have my juice throughout the week. Or if you have a big family, this is also great for that as well. But people kind of compare this one to the Nama juicer, and I never tried the Nama juicer, but I do think that it's a really, really great juicer for like a fraction of the price. I think I got this juicer for like $120 versus the Nama, which is like $600, $700. But if you're a beginner at juicing, definitely give this a try. I will link it down below in my description box. So I make sure that I drink my fresh juices throughout the week, and I think that has been amazing in trying to cut down on my artificial sugar intake. And the last thing I want to share with you guys is kombucha. I try to drink kombucha a few times a week. Kombucha has amazing health benefits. It is a probiotic, and it helps with the immune system. It helps reduce inflammation, and it helps your gut. So at one point in my life, I was having really, really bad gut issues. And I still to this day sometimes have gut issues, but I keep kombucha on deck because it is literally one of the only things that helped me when I was going through all of my gut issue problems. And to this day, it still works amazing. Like, it is a life changer. But yeah, that is about it. I want to let you guys know that MiriamHampton.com is having a huge Mother's Day sale. We have $20 for all of our products on MiriamHampton.com. So use the code 20everything and treat your mom to something special this holiday season. So that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton and MH Hair Care, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.